Hey guys, I just spent 3 weeks testing 12 machines, and these are the only three I'd actually buy with my own money in 2026. First up, this LG washer. Cleans like crazy, super quiet, repair techs love it. Only downside, it's a bit pricey. Next, this LG dryer dries huge loads fast, motors last forever. Only downside, not the cheapest. And for dishes, this Bosch 800 dishwasher. Almost never breaks, cleans great, actually dries plastics. So if I'm spending my own cash, these are the three I'd buy.